So, how do you make a keto friendly dish that's unbelievably creamy, packed with flavor, and ready in just 30 minutes? Well, stick around and I'll show you how. This recipe makes 4 hearty servings, each packed with around 490 calories, 38 grams of fat, 32 grams of protein, and just 6 net carbs, making a perfect keto dish. For the best experience, serve it with fluffy cauliflower rice or some keto-friendly naan to soak up that rich buttery sauce. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. If you found this video helpful and delicious, don't forget to check out my other recipes and hit that subscribe button for fresh new meals every week. I'm all about bringing you nutritious, flavorful, and easy dishes that fit every taste. You'll find the full recipe and my go-to healthy ingredients in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Until then, stay healthy and take care.